Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for uploading the video so late. Had some personal issues to deal with. That's why I couldn't upload any video. But today I'm here with a wonderful and a tasty recipe of egg rolls. So first of all, let's see the ingredients for the egg rolls. You need 4 to 5 eggs, 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, salt, sugar and oil, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 onion finely chopped, half cup cabbage and half cup carrot. You also need 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and a few mint leaves. First, let's make the dough for the paratha that comes as the outer layer of the egg roll. For that, we'll take 2 cups of maida and to that we'll add salt, sugar and oil. We have to knead this dough very nicely to get a crispy paratha. So we have to knead it for about 5 minutes minimum. You can also use atta instead of maida, but the authentic egg roll is made with the maida paratha, so that's why I'm using maida. All the quantity of the ingredients is also given in the description box. So if you have any doubt, please go ahead and check in the description box. You can see how I'm kneading the dough. I have actually transferred the mix to the counter table and I'm kneading it on top of that. After kneading it for about 5 minutes, I'll be applying some oil on top of the dough to keep the dough soft. Let the dough rest for about 30 minutes minimum. In the meanwhile, let's keep the filling ready. For that, we'll add the cabbage, carrot and onion to a bowl. Please do add cucumbers also. Since I didn't have it at home, that's why I'm not using it. But it would be nice if you use cucumbers also. Now I'm adding some chopped mint leaves and some chopped green chilies. That I'm adding salt. Actually, I'm using the mint leaves because I like the flavor of mint. If you don't like the flavor of mint, you can use coriander leaves also. To this, I'm adding the sauces, that is the tomato sauce and the hot sauce. Instead of hot sauce, you can use chili sauce also. To this, I'm adding some pepper powder. You can skip this if you do not want it too spicy. Then adding a few drops of lemon. After adding all these ingredients, we need to mix this filling very nicely so that all the flavors is binded well. Now the filling is ready, we'll make the parathas. Let's knead the dough quickly and then we'll go ahead and make the parathas. This egg roll is a famous street food of Kolkata, West Bengal, and I love it. And I believe the people of Kolkata love it too. It is one of the daily snack of most of the people living there. When we used to go out, this egg roll is a must. We have to have it. Now when I'm in Bahrain, I miss it very much. So that's why I tried to make this at home itself and it came out really well. It took me to all those memories of having egg rolls on the streets. I'm making all the parathas together and separating each paratha by applying some maida on top of each of those so that it doesn't stick to each other. But on the streets when we have, they make it at that moment itself. They do all the process together. They would have just cut the vegetables and kept in different bowls, and when we order for an egg roll, they will make it at that moment. So they mix everything together at that moment. They'll be making the parathas, the eggs, and also the filling in front of us itself. It's so wonderful to see how they make it. I should say it is a unique talent. If you ever go to Kolkata, you should have this once. Then only you'll understand what I'm trying to say. So now the parathas are ready. I'm going to make the egg mixture for the egg roll. The ones who have already had egg rolls from Kolkata, please do comment below your experience of having it and also seeing how they make it. And for the ones who really miss having egg rolls from Kolkata, please do try this recipe. Trust me, it will be almost the same taste of that which we have in Kolkata. The egg mixture, I have taken here 5 eggs. To that I have added salt and pepper powder. Now let's make the parathas. I am making all the parathas together, and then I'll add eggs to each of the paratha. Cook each side of the parathas evenly and then add a little bit of butter on both of the sides. There the parathas is cooked from both the sides. Now I'll make all the other parathas also. Another way of making the egg roll is that you cook the parathas, and when one side is completely cooked, pour the egg mixture to that side and then flip it. But I am making it all together. So once I am making all the parathas and then I'm pouring the eggs to each of the parathas. I found this much easier than the other way. I hope you all have seen my recipe videos which I have uploaded before. If not, please do click on the icon which shows above. It will take you to my channel, and in that you can see the recipes. I've also created playlists so that you can see the recipes or vlogs, whichever you like. Please do check out all the videos of my channel. I've made all the parathas. It is so crispy and soft. Now let's make the eggs for the egg roll. For that, add a tablespoon of oil or butter, and to that add a little bit of the egg mixture. After half a minute, place the paratha on top of the egg. Press it on all sides so that the egg is cooked well. Once you see that it's cooked, flip the egg roll. Make sure that the egg is cooked from all sides, otherwise when you flip, there will be remains of the egg. This is what happened to me. The shape of the egg roll may not be perfect, but trust me, the taste is really nice. You will love it. I'm making all the other egg rolls also, and once it's all done, I'll be filling it. Once all the outer layer is done, we'll be filling it with the filling that we have already prepared, and also rolling it to an egg roll. For that, place 2 tissue papers or butter paper and place the outer layer on top of that, and in between fill it with the filling that we have already made. Now roll the egg roll first and then roll it with the tissue paper. No need to worry, there will be some filling coming out on both sides. So now it has been rolled and it's now an egg roll. Please do try this recipe. It is a really tasty dish. I was really thrilled to make egg rolls at home, so that's why I shared this recipe with you all. So now take care and bye bye. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't.